Excuse me, I need help.
Of course. What happened?
I lost my wallet.
Oh no, I am sorry.
I had it 10 minutes ago.
Where did you last use it?
At the shoe store upstairs.
Did you pay there?
Yes, I paid by card.
What did you do next?
Then I bought a coffee.
Maybe you left it there?
I checked the coffee shop already.
What color is the wallet?
It is small and red.
Does it have your ID inside?
Yes, my license is inside.
Any cash in it?
About $20, maybe less.
Okay, Emma, please stay calm.
I am trying, but I'm worried.
I understand. Losing things feels awful.
My bank card is inside too.
We can call the stores first.
That would help a lot.
Which shoe store was it?
The one near the elevator.
Green Steps Shoes, right?
Yes, that is the place.
I will call them now.
Thank you. I hope they found it.
Good news. They have a red wallet.
Really? Oh, thank goodness.
They kept it behind the counter.
That is such a relief.
Let us walk there together.
Thank you for helping me.
You did the right thing.
I felt silly and scared.
It happens to many people.
Next time, I will check sooner.
And keep it zipped inside.
Yes, zipped and safe.
Perfect. Here is the store.
You saved my whole day.
I am happy I could help.
Changing a delivery address. Hi, I need help today.
Sure, Emma. What do you need?
My package has the wrong address.
I can check that for you.
Thank you. I feel worried.
Do you have the order number?
Yes, it is 48291.
Thanks. Let me find it.
I typed my old apartment address.
That happens more than you think.
Really? I feel so careless.
No worries. Moving is stressful.
Yes, very stressful this week.
I found your order now.
Has it already shipped?
Not yet. That is good.
Great. Can we change it?
Yes, give the new address.
It is 18 River Street.
Is that apartment or house?
Apartment 4B, second floor.
City and zip code?
Denver 8023.
Thank you. I updated it.
Will delivery take longer now?
Maybe one extra day.
That is okay. I just need it.
You will receive an email soon.
Does it show the new address?
Yes, please check it carefully.
I will check it right away.
Anything else with this order?
Yes, can I add delivery notes?
Of course. What should they say?
Please leave it at the office.
Good idea for apartment buildings.
The front door is often locked.
I added that note too.
You made this much easier.
I'm glad to help.
I was afraid it was too late.
You contacted us at the right time.
Thank you, Daniel.
You're welcome, Emma.
Buying summer clothes. Daniel, I am melting today.
This heat is serious, Emma.
I need cooler clothes now.
You came to the right place.
My shirt feels too heavy.
Let us find light fabric.
Please, I cannot enjoy summer.
Try cotton or linen first.
Which one feels cooler?
Linen feels very airy.
Show me something simple.
This yellow dress is light.
The color feels happy.
It is perfect for sunshine.
Is it too bright?
No, it suits summer.
Can I touch the fabric?
Of course. Feel this.
Oh, it feels soft.
And it will dry quickly.
That helps at the beach.
Are you going there soon?
Yes, this weekend.
Then you need this hat too.
That hat looks huge.
Huge shade is useful.
My skin burns easily.
Then the hat is smart.
Can I try both?
Yes, the mirror is there.
The dress feels much better.
You look ready for July.
The hat matches well.
It also covers your face.
How much is everything?
The dress is $40.
And the hat?
$15 today.
Is the dress on sale?
Yes, it was $50.
That sounds like a good deal.
It is a smart summer buy.
I will take both.
Great choice, Emma.
I already feel cooler.
Summer is easier with the right clothes.
Thank you for helping me.
You are welcome. Enjoy the sunshine.
Joining a gym. Hello, I want to ask something.
Sure, Emma. How can I help?
I want to join a gym.
Great. Have you used one before?
Not really. I feel nervous.
That is very normal.
Everyone looks strong in gyms.
Everyone starts somewhere.
I only want simple exercise.
We have beginner classes.
What kind of classes?
Walking, stretching, and light weights.
That sounds less scary.
We keep beginners together.
Good. I dislike feeling judged.
Our gym is friendly.
How much is membership?
$30 each month.
Is there a sign-up fee?
Not this week.
That is lucky.
You can also try one day.
How much is a day pass?
$5 for today.
I like that option.
You can look around first.
Can you show me the machines?
Yes, I will explain them.
Please use simple words.
Of course, no problem.
Which machine is easiest?
The treadmill is very simple.
That is for walking, right?
Yes, walking or running.
I will start with walking.
Smart choice for beginners.
How long should I walk?
Start with 15 minutes.
I can do that.
Slow and steady is best.
I already feel less nervous.
Good. That is the first win.
Thank you for being kind.
Welcome to your first gym day.
Getting a haircut. Hi, I need a haircut.
Sure, Emma. What style do you want?
Nothing too different, please.
Just a trim?
Yes, maybe 2 inches off.
Do you want layers?
I am not sure.
Layers make hair look lighter.
My hair feels heavy now.
Then soft layers may help.
Will it look much shorter?
No, I will keep the length.
Good. I feel nervous.
Many people feel nervous before haircuts.
Last time, someone cut too much.
I understand. I will show you first.
Thank you, that helps.
This much from the ends?
Yes, that looks okay.
Great. Do you want bangs?
No bangs, please.
Good choice if you are unsure.
Can you make it easy to brush?
Yes, I will shape the ends.
Thank you. I am trying English today.
You are doing very well.
Hair words are hard for me.
They are hard for many learners.
Trim, layers, bangs. I learned 3.
Perfect. That is useful vocabulary.
Does my hair look healthy?
Yes, just a little dry.
Should I use oil?
A little oil helps the ends.
Not too much.
Exactly, just a small amount.
I like the shape already.
Great, I am almost finished.
It looks natural and neat.
That was your goal.
Yes, you understood me perfectly.
I am glad you like it.
At the dentist. Good morning. I feel nervous today.
That is okay, Emma.
I have not visited recently.
Many people wait too long.
My tooth hurts when I drink.
Hot drinks or cold drinks?
Mostly cold water.
How long has it hurt?
About 1 week.
Is the pain sharp?
Yes, but it goes away.
I will check gently.
Thank you. I need gentle.
Open your mouth, please.
Like this?
Yes, very good.
Do you see anything bad?
I see a small cavity.
Oh no. Is it serious?
No, we found it early.
That is a relief.
We can fill it today.
Will it hurt?
You will feel pressure, not pain.
I am scared of needles.
I understand. I will go slowly.
Can I raise my hand?
Yes, anytime you need a break.
That makes me feel safer.
Good. You are in control.
How long will it take?
About 30 minutes.
Can I eat after?
Wait until your mouth feels normal.
Maybe soup tonight.
Soup is a good idea.
I am still nervous, but ready.
You are doing great.
Please explain each step.
I will. First, we clean.
Okay, I can handle that.
Yes, one small step first.
Calling about a lost dog. Daniel, have you seen my dog?
Oh no! Is Max missing?
Yes, he ran out earlier.
When did that happen?
About 20 minutes ago.
Which way did he run?
Toward the park entrance.
I can help you look.
Thank you. I am really scared.
We will find him.
He is small and brown.
With the red collar, right?
Yes, and a silver tag.
Does the tag have your number?
Yes, thank goodness.
Good. That helps a lot.
He gets nervous near loud cars.
Then maybe he went inside the park.
I hope so.
Did you bring his treats?
Yes, in this pocket.
Great. Call him calmly.
Max, come here, sweet boy.
I will check near the benches.
Thank you, Daniel.
Wait, I hear something.
Where?
Behind that big tree.
Max, is that you?
I see his red collar.
Oh, Max, come here.
He looks scared but safe.
I am so relieved.
Give him the treat slowly.
Good boy, Max. Come here.
There you go. He's back.
Thank you so much.
I am happy he is safe.
I almost cried.
I understand. Pets are family.
I will fix the gate today.
That is a very good idea.
Planning a weekend picnic. Daniel, are you free Saturday?
I think so. Why?
I want to plan a picnic.
That sounds fun and peaceful.
The weather should be sunny.
Great. Which park?
Lakeview Park near the big fountain.
I know that place.
It has trees and clean tables.
And ducks near the water.
Yes, but no feeding them.
I learned that sign last time.
Good. What food should we bring?
Sandwiches are easy.
I can make chicken sandwiches.
I can bring fruit.
Apples, grapes, and maybe oranges?
Yes, colorful and simple.
We also need drinks.
Water and lemonade sound good.
Should we invite Sarah?
Yes, she loves picnics.
What about games?
I have a frisbee.
Perfect. Nothing too serious.
Just relaxing and eating.
That is exactly my plan.
What time should we meet?
Maybe 11 in the morning.
Good, not too early.
Bring a blanket, please.
I have a big blue one.
Great. I will bring plates.
Do we need forks?
For fruit, maybe yes.
I will bring napkins too.
You are very prepared.
Only because picnics need details.
True. Small details save the day.
I am excited now.
Me too. Simple weekends are best.
Saturday picnic is officially planned.
Getting a library card. Hello, I want a library card.
Great, Emma. I can help you.
I have never had one here.
That is okay. It is easy.
What do I need?
I need your photo ID.
I have my driver's license.
Perfect. May I see it?
Yes, here you go.
Thank you, Emma.
Can I borrow books today?
Yes, after we make the card.
Wonderful. I love reading.
What kind of books do you like?
Simple stories and cooking books.
We have both upstairs.
Do you also have English books?
Yes, for many levels.
I need easy English books.
A1 and A2 are over there.
That sounds perfect for me.
Please write your address here.
Okay. Should I write phone too?
Yes, phone and email.
Do you send late reminders?
Yes, by email.
That is helpful. I forget dates.
Many people do.
How long can I keep books?
3 weeks for most books.
Can I renew them online?
Yes, if nobody is waiting.
Good. I like that.
Your card is ready now.
That was very quick.
Here is your new card.
Thank you. It feels exciting.
Welcome to the library.
Can you show me the English shelf?
Of course. Follow me.
I hope I find something fun.
We will find the right book.
Thank you for being patient.
That is what libraries are for.
Broken elevator. Daniel, the elevator is not working.
I know. I am very sorry.
I live on the 5th floor.
That makes it harder for you.
I have groceries in my car.
Do you need help carrying them?
Yes, if possible.
Of course, I can help.
Thank you. My bags are heavy.
How many bags do you have?
6 bags and 1 water pack.
We can take 2 trips.
That would be great.
The repair worker is coming soon.
Do you know what happened?
The door sensor stopped working.
Is that dangerous?
No, the elevator just stops.
That is good to know.
Safety comes first here, Emma.
How long will repairs take?
Maybe 2 or 3 hours.
I hope it works tonight.
I hope so too.
My mother visits tomorrow morning.
Does she have trouble with stairs?
Yes, she uses a cane.
Then I will call you later.
Please do. That matters.
I will update every tenant too.
Thank you for that.
Let us get your bags now.
You are very kind.
It is part of my job.
Still, I appreciate it.
Which car is yours?
The blue one near the tree.
Great. I'll carry the water.
That is the heaviest thing.
Then give it to me.
Today needs a little teamwork.
Exactly. We'll manage this.